Assalamu alaikum all of you. Welcome to Happy Home online class. I am your art teacher, Miss Anna Wafar. I welcome you all in my art class today. I hope you all must fine and safe at home and is spending great time with your family members. Do you miss your teachers and classmates? I know you all are missing your teacher and school also. Inshallah, we will meet soon at the school with new aims. So, today's topic is Chinese lantern. But first, do you know about culture? Basically, culture is what makes country unique. Each, each country has different culture, activities, and rituals. Yes, today we are going to do Chinese lantern related to culture of the world. Do you may not know what is lantern? I will tell you. Lantern is a Chinese tradition. Lantern made of thin brightly colored paper. Paper lantern come in various shapes and sizes, as well as various method of construction. Children, let's start our work. Now I will tell you how to make a Chinese lantern. Children, can you see some material in this picture? Yes, we need color papers, scissors, glue, scale, pencil, rounded shape or object, decorative ribbon, cello tape, any tape you can use. Now you are going to follow my instructions. First, you have to take any colored computer paper. You have to fold this paper in a square shape. After the folding, you have to trace the circle with the help of any rounded object. After the tracing, cut the circles in different colored computer paper with the help of scissors. But be careful, when you use a scissor, don't harm yourself. After the cutting, you can have these type of different colors of circles. After the cutting of the circles, fold the circles to make a semicircles. Now take a colored computer paper and draw a rectangle inside the paper with the help of a ruler and pencil and leave some space from the edges. Start pasting of the semicircles on rectangular shape. Apply glue on a semicircle folding and paste on a paper. Paste semicircle on paper carefully. Now apply glue in different color semicircles like this. After the pasting of a semicircle, you can see like this. Now you can open your semicircles like this. After the pasting of the semicircles, now apply glue on the left space and paste the edges together. You can see the shape of the lantern like this. After that, we make a tassel. Take a strip of a paper and fold it half together. After folding, take scissors. Remember, when you use scissors, don't harm yourself. And cut fine thin strips. Then paste the tassel at the bottom side of the lantern. First put the glue at the bottom side and paste the tassel on it, like this. After the pasting the tassel on the bottom side, you can see like this. Now you can paste the wrapping sheet or a decorated sheet. First you have to put the glue on it and paste the strip of the wrapping sheet or any decoration sheet on it. After pasting this strip, you can paste the same strip at the upside of the lantern. Like this, you have to paste the strip. Now you can cut a thin ribbon for the hanging of the lantern. At the end, take ribbon and cut it. After cutting, attach the ribbon with the tape as cello tape. You can use any tape. Your colorful and beautiful Chinese lantern is ready. All right, children. I hope you all must have enjoyed this activity today. Now I will give you a home assignment to do. You have to design your own Chinese lantern and send the image of your creative work and share with me on Google Classroom. I will be waiting to your lovely artwork. I hope you all are enjoying. Okay then, take care of yourself and your family members. Allah Hafiz.